Hello world! Today we're doing a Lexus SC430 Serpentine belt replacement. Here's the things you're going to need. If you need to pause that for a second, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is remove this engine cover. All it is two 10mm nuts. After that, we're going to remove this guy and put it over there. Now, you don't necessarily need to get this guy out of the way. It just gives you a tad more room to see, but you'll come to find out that you won't need that much space. Now, I'm only loosening up those clamps because I'm going to do something else, but you are going to want to remove this bolt, 10mm, get that guy out of the way. You'll need that guy removed so we can see the belt. Now, giving you a better angle, here's how we're gonna go. This will be your 14mm that you're gonna need. What I pointed at was the tensioner pulley assembly. Now we're gonna go ahead and turn it counterclockwise, as you'll come to see right now. If we turn it counterclockwise, it goes down, gives us, or it releases the tension so we can remove the belt. So now, to get that guy out of the way, start removing the belt. Now on this vehicle, there is a serpentine belt diagram. Should be on top of the hood. I will show you shortly. Now, I'm spinning this. See, if your pulley spins like that first one that I just spun, you will probably need to replace it. The bearing is worn. We're not going to do that at this time, but all you would do is loosen that bolt, and then you would replace it. Now, I spoke about the diagram because not everybody's going to remember how that belt goes. I know even I forget how it goes sometimes. So I either take a picture, or sometimes there's a picture on the vehicle, whether it's where the hood release is at. So now I'm just going to get this guy around a few of these guys, and right now I'm trying to see if I can do it without looking, but everything goes by so fast that I don't remember entirely how it's going to go, but we'll take a peek. So get that guy somewhat in there. Now pause the screen if you need to. That is how the belt is going to go routed. Go back down over here. Now I know where everything needs to go. I don't think I'm particularly off by much. I'm going to readjust the belt. Let's see where I was slightly off, but now that we have the picture, life is all better. So I'm going to go ahead and put this guy over the next to the pump, and over this pump. Then we're going to put it over that idler pulley. The only one I'm going to leave off is going to be the power steering pump. So as you can see, this job is pretty straightforward. So almost everybody should be able to do this on their own. Pretty simple. I think the hardest part that's gonna mess up some people is remembering how that belt goes, but you know, we put this belt back on the way it's routed. We get your wrench or ratchet with a socket, and this time you're going to turn it clockwise. Actually, sorry. You're still going to turn it counterclockwise so we can get that belt back on there. Now I see that the belt is a little bit backwards, or not sitting all the way where I would like it to sit, so I went ahead and readjusted it. Now I adjusted where it sat on the water pump. Now you don't necessarily need to do this because the belt will align properly. I just like to do it for ease of mind. And yeah, that's how you change your belt. After that, you just put the air duct back on right here. I'm leaving that off because I have other stuff to do. But yeah, so if this was helpful, thumbs up.